Where the process of welding is often regarded as the dirty side of any engineering business, here in RUBBLE Master we endeavour to do it better for both the operator and the environment. Each operator is issued with a fire retardant workwear and a self-powered respirator system which is attached to the welding head unit. The head unit also has a clear visor built in for use when grinding, therefore giving a clean air supply for breathing at all stages of the process. It is important that each operator has enough space to carry out the task which they are assigned, which is why almost 8 meters of space has been allocated to each operator. Also important is the amount of light in the workshop, which is why we have installed low-level lighting as well as the high output LED roof lights. The welding curtains between each welding bay, instead of the standard black or green, we have opted for yellow. While giving the same protection against weld flash, they allow the areas to be more open from a lighting perspective. Each welding bay has an air supply for pneumatic tools, which are on a retractable reel, and also an electric supply powered down from 230 volt down to 110 volt for safety against electric shock. This is also on a retractable reel so that trip hazards are reduced. A recent addition to the welding process, and an extremely important one, is the installation of an LEV system, which is a localized exhaust ventilation system. This system has a vacuum hose built in to every welding boom and extracts and filters up to 80% of welding fumes at source of welding. Not only is this safer for the operator, but also greatly improves the air quality for those personnel who work in other parts of the facility, as well as our numerous visitors. Safety is paramount within RUBBLE Master, and all operatives are issued with full PPE and are trained in the use of grinding tools, manual handling and overhead crane usage.